Hi guys, it's Mark again at Autobahn Proven with my Volvo V70R. Today we have got the wipers for the front wipers, the headlights, and I'm going to show how easy it is to put those on. So it's going to be an unboxing and a fitting of the wipers. These wipers are in a pretty poor state, just coming off, and so to remove, we'll do this one-handed, just pull like so, and fitting is the reverse. I ordered these from Amazon, and they just arrived literally. Open them up. Fantastic camera work there, hope you appreciate that. And inside we have two wipers from URO Parts. These are very well packaged, so we'll need to use the scissors to open them. There we go, that works. Pull them out. One and two. And as I said, fitting is the reverse. It's more difficult to do with one hand than I thought, so we'll just pause there. That is now snapped in just fine, and a huge difference compared with the old original one, which could be original to the car. Let's just get it to focus in, and just makes the car look a little bit better now that it's got the good wipers on. So anyway, a worthwhile upgrade that you can do on your car. Out with the old, in with the new. So if you'd like to see more boring Volvo content, or whatever I decide I'm going to do on YouTube, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you for the next one. Also, if there's anything else that you'd like to see Volvo related, as I have the car here, let me know and I'll see if I can do a video for you. Bye.